Welcome to the Learning Center. In this training segment, we will demonstrate how to create a resume using the Resume Builder. At the conclusion of this video, you will be able to locate your stored resumes, enter information step by step until a resume is completed, understand the relationship between the Resume Builder and the Background Wizard, manage resume template options. Your actual system settings and options may differ from those shown in this video. Let's get started. If you haven't already, you might want to first view the Background Wizard video. It provides details to help you record and manage standard background information that ultimately becomes your resume. If you'd like to view this video now, click the Background Wizard video button. Otherwise, click the Next button to continue with the Resume Builder overview video. One of the primary methods for a job seeker to communicate with employers is through a resume. The main function of a resume is to present an outline of your accomplishments. Busy employers take an average of 20 seconds to review a resume, so you want your resume to present the facts and to be attractive. This video will show you how to create such a resume. This is a sample services for individuals page. From here, there are several ways to create a resume. The easiest is to select the Resume Builder link on the Quick menu. Keep in mind, you must be system registered to create resumes. This page lists all of the resumes that you have created in the system. You may filter your resume list by selecting a desired view option at the top of the page. Your system will display the maximum number of resumes you may create and how long they remain active. The system displays a variety of link options as well as other read-only information. To learn more, click the Help bubble displayed in the top right corner. Before we click to create a new resume, here's some helpful advice. No matter which creation option you choose, or how much or how little work experience you have, the process of creating a system resume can be broken down into 4 basic parts. Part 1 is the Start screen. Here you determine whether system-registered employers may view your resume, you choose a desired creation method, and then enter your resume's title. Part 2 lists search criteria, such as your desired salary, that employers may use to find your resume. Part 3 presents resume template options that control the function and appearance of your resume. Part 4 collects details of your background, such as your work history and your job skills. The system presents a step-by-step wizard to help you manage these 4 parts. Let's click the Create New Resume button to begin. If you have any incomplete resumes, the system will display a pop-up alert. Click OK to finish the resume or Cancel to create a new. Here, in Part 1, the Resume Information section requires 3 responses to continue. First, how will you build your resume? There are 4 selections to choose from. The internal resume is the most thorough method. It works with the Background Wizard to build your resume using a step-by-step process. The external resume method is quicker. It works with an existing resume. For example, an accessible Microsoft Word or PDF document to literally build details of your background while building the resume. The copy and paste format is a quick way to build your resume, but this limits an employer's ability to search for and view your resume. The copy existing resume method is only available if you previously completed a system resume. The system literally copies the document, allowing you to make any desired changes. Second, enter a resume title. Check out the blue text for suggested guidelines. Third, do you want your resume to display online or remain hidden from employers? Allowing employers to see your resume online means that any employer with access to the system can view the information you include in your resume. You cannot selectively block some employers from viewing your resume while allowing others access. Click Next to save your changes and proceed. In response, the system displays an alert confirming your actions. Click OK to continue. Now begins Part 2 of the Resume Builder process. The system will present several steps that employers may use as resume search criteria. They are your desired work location, desired occupation, desired salary, desired work schedule, and driver's license information. If you already completed your background information, these steps will already be complete. Unless you wish to make changes, you need only click Next to save each step for the current resume. Here, in Part 3 of the Resume Builder process, you must choose a desired resume template option. The resume template that you select defines the formatting and layout of your resume. Regardless of which option you choose to build your resume, you must also choose a desired template to display your resume. By default, you may choose from the following system templates. Chronological maintains a unique section order and displays dates within your employment and education histories. Functional maintains a unique section order and hides dates within your employment and education histories. Federal resume, not official, system generated, maintains a section order that can be used for applying for federal jobs. However, this is not an official resume for a federal job. When you select any resume template, whether system or user-generated, the system will display each section that will appear in order by section title. You may even click the preview link to view a sample resume as it would appear using that template. This is an excellent way to forecast the appearance of your completed resume. If you would like to maintain the default settings for the template you currently selected, you may click either the Next button or the Skip this step, I will use the current template link. The system will maintain all the settings for this resume template, so your finished resume looks identical to the preview sample. However, if you'd like to modify the existing template or create a new one, here are your options. Click the New Template link if you'd like to create a custom resume template. Click the Save As link to modify the existing resume template you currently selected. These two functions, New and Save As, work similarly to managing a Microsoft Word document. Use the New command to make robust changes to the selected template. Use the Save As command to make minor changes, thus preserving most of the default settings for the selected template you're working from. Whether you select New or Save As, you will first be prompted to rename the template as one of your custom resume templates. Keep in mind, you may select this for future resumes you create. Then you will work among the three tabs displayed: the Resume Sections, Resume Format, and Section-Specific Format tab to change the appearance of your resume. Starting with the Resume Sections tab, click to select which resume sections will be shown, their display order, and their title. Refer to the red text and the help bubble for details. Next, click the Resume Format tab to modify general resume sections, such as their alignment, text size, and text style. Finally, click the Section-Specific Format tab to modify unique formatting elements as they apply to the resume's contact information, employment history, and education history sections. Click Next to proceed with the Resume Builder. The remaining steps of the Resume Builder represent the fourth and final part of the process. Use these steps to record details of your history. If you already completed your background information, these steps will be pre-filled. Unless you wish to make any changes, simply click Next to save the data and proceed. In summary screens such as this one, you may click to display or hide the information on your resume. Also, keep in mind the Resume Builder will adjust the display and numbering of the steps based on the resume creation method and resume template you selected. In the final step of the Resume Builder, the system displays your completed resume. Be sure to review the content for accuracy and eye appeal. To change the data or display setting for a particular section, click its title link. To change the structure of the resume, to include or exclude desired sections, to change the font size and/or font style, or change the overall appearance of the resume, you must edit the template. Work amongst the 3 tabs displayed to make your edits. If you're working with a default system template, you'll need to rename it as your own. Click Save to secure your edits and return to the updated resume. To access a detailed list of user options on this page, click the Help bubble in the top right corner. Click Save Resume and return when you are finished. In response, the system displays the resume list screen if you'd like to create a new resume. You